Kung OFW ka na naghahanap ng property to invest dito sa Pilipinas, then this video is for you.
Welcome to SMDC Gold Residences, the ultimate Airbnb investment. Located right across NAIA Terminal 1. Alam mo ba na this is just 5 minutes away from the NAIA Terminal 1? Kaya hindi nakapagtataka na ito ang top choice ng travelers, balikbayan, and business professional na naghahanap ng property for Airbnb business.
Imagine having a passive income even nasa abroad ka dahil maraming book days ang unit mo. Hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-alala kung saan mo ilalagay ang ipon mo dahil may real estate investment na kumikita for you. Habang ang iba nagdadalawang isip pa, ikaw may strategic investment na may stable income pa.
Gold Residences also offers top-tier amenities that will give your guests a world-class experience.
Hotel-like business hub and lobby para first impression pa lang, premium na. Outdoor lounge and social hub and relaxing space for work and leisure. Co-working spaces and meeting rooms na perfect for digital nomads and business travelers. Modern gym and wellness center para complete ang lifestyle package. Lahat ng to, kasama na sa investment mo. At ang maganda pa rito, you don't have to manage it yourself kasi may property management company na sila nang bahala sa lahat. From guest check-ins, maintenance, at interior setup. Habang ikaw, naghihintay na lang ng passive income.
At may special promo pa ngayon, up to 20% discount on selected units. And the best part, you can secure your unit today for just 50,000 pesos. Kaya kabayan, hahayaan mo bang lumagpas ng ganitong opportunity? Message us now to secure your unit today.